Hello everyone and welcome. My name is Casper, aka Casper the Spicy Ghost. This is the first video of I don't know how many yet, but this will be a continuing OBS series of tips and tricks as I figure out what I'm going to do, how I'm going to do it, and what I've learned. And I'm going to share this knowledge with you guys in hopes that we can all collaborate our efforts together and grow OBS, Twitch content, Mixer content, whatever you do. I want to grow together and I want to ping ideas off of each other. So if you use anything from this video, please like, subscribe, all of that jazz that you're supposed to do as a YouTuber. I'm not a YouTuber, I'm a Twitcher. That sounds horrible, but so on this video, we're going to talk about multiple chroma key filters on one scene. We're going to talk about scene nesting, and then we're going to talk about scene organization. If you don't know what scene nesting means, don't worry. I'm going to go over that. It could be just a term that was coined, but essentially that's just, it is what it is. So without further ado, class is in session. I'm going to show you a little bit of the organization of what I do. So this right here is, you can see 3 empty scenes. I just created the scenes and just named them as is. That's it. You will see why I do this here shortly. So without further ado, let's get into adding chroma keys to multiple scenes, but only into one. To start off, we're going to make a brand new scene. I'm not even going to name it yet. I'm just going to show you. So what we're going to do is I'm going to show you exactly what I am talking about right off the bat, because I want to get right down to it. So we're going to add a media source, loop it. We're going to add a rainbow GIF because that is the perfect colors to show you exactly what I'm talking about. So we're going to stretch this to the screen, right? So now we are going to rename this chroma green, right? And this is going to become a nested scene, right? So now exactly what it says is that this rainbow is going to get chromed out as green. So when you add a filter with chroma key, it defaults to green. So I'm not going to mess with it any more than that. It's literally only going to do green. Cool. So now we're going to add another scene. This is going to be another nested scene. However, we are going to go add as a scene source the chroma green that we just did, which is right here. So now that we have the green still chromed out from before, we're going to add an image just to show you exactly what I'm trying to do. So let's just add in my logo. So then we're going to add scale fit to screen. Cool. So now in the green, you can now see that it is chroma keyed out. However, we're talking about 2 chroma key filters. We're going to add a blue now. So this is going to be chroma key blue. We're going to tone this down a little bit because it's a little aggressive. So as you can see, the cyan and the blue kind of filter out a little bit right there. So we're going to leave the cyan in. Wow, that's a tough one. Like that. Right? Now we're going to add another scene. Rename scene 2 as chroma blue. Now scene 3, now we're going to add chroma blue. So go to add scene, chroma blue, add. So now you can still see that it's still the same as chroma blue. There's no change. However, now, like I said, we're going to add an image. This is going to be, let's just do the ghost. Okay, nothing crazy. Now watch. As soon as I move it down, it only shows up in the blue. So now there's 2 ghosts. This is actually the same ghost that I used for my outline, by the way. So it's kind of actually
Looks like it's moving. It's kind of trippy, but so if I turn out the chroma blue, watch, it only shows up on the blue. So do you see what happened? So every scene, right? So this is the chroma green. You do not want to add anything to the source, because watch, if you add anything into the source, let's just add that old image again. Just add this ghost, right? Let's put it behind it. It's gone. It doesn't matter, because we didn't add it to the source, we added it to the scene. That's the trick, is you add it to the scene and then you put in another scene, so that way you can do stuff like this. So this is only on the green on this scene because we added it right there, right? So now this scene is now a source with that chroma filter on it. We can now add that green chroma in there, like so. Now the black is chromed out, so that's why there's a black spot. But in the next scene, in scene 3, we accounted for that, and that's why you can see it there, the ghost. So that is how you make multiple effects of in multiple scenes into one scene. So it took 2 scenes right here, 2 nested scenes, to create one scene such as this. Now this is just I put together a fresh install of OBS, so that way you guys can see exactly how I do everything, and I'm not trying to intimidate you with what mine looks like. But this is the basic gist of what I do with my green background and my blue suit. That's how I do 2 different effects.
So thank you for watching the video. If you learned anything or you know of something that I could learn from, please leave a comment in the comment section below. Also, if you would like to join me when I'm live on Twitch, the link will also be down below as well. And I will also link my Instagram and my Twitter. So thank you guys again for watching the video. Please like, subscribe, and all of that. I will be doing more OBS tricks and tips in the future. And as always, create and innovate and stay spicy.